Okay, good morning, students. Myself V. Jyoti, lecturer in Geology, Government Degree College for Women, Siddipet. Today topic is restriction enzymes. Okay, what is restriction enzymes? Restriction enzymes, bacterial enzymes that cut DNA molecule only at restriction sites, categorized into two groups beside on cut. Cuts with slickly ended, cuts with blunt ended. Sticky ended means was a very strong bond and bond formation is called sticky ended. And another one is very not strong bond, that is called blunt end. So we go to cloning vectors, what is called, and restriction enzymes. Next slide. Origin and function. Bacterial origin or enzymes that cleave foreign DNA named after the organism from which they were derived. EcoRI means Escherichia coli. Form Escherichia coli and EcoRI means Escherichia coli. Okay, BAM HI form Bacillus amblocuifacius protect bacteria from bacteriophage infection, restricts viral replication. Bacterium protects its own DNA by methylated those specific sequence. Availability. More than 800 types of restriction enzymes, shortcut RE, were known, and more than 400 of them are available commercially. Okay, classes. Type. Some cuts the DNA on both strands, but a non-specific location at varying distance from the particular sequence that is recognized by the restriction enzyme. Therefore, random or imperial cuts not very useful for recombinant DNA applications. Okay, type 2. This was type 1 is a cut the DNA on both sides, but a non-specific location at varying distance from the particular sequence that is recognized by the restriction enzyme. Okay, this was class type 1. It is not very useful for rDNA application, but this type 2 cuts both sides of DNA within the particular sequence recognized by the restriction enzyme, used widely for molecular biology procedures. DNA sequence is equal, sequence means symmetrically. Okay, type 2. This was okay. Read the same in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction on both stands. This also come to MS entrance. 5 prime to 3 prime direction and both stands. This 5 time to 5 prime to 3 prime direction are called the palindromic sequence. Okay, palindromic sequence means same in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction on both sides, called palindromic sequence. Some enzymes generate blunt ends, means cut in middle. Okay, not very tight, not bonded, so it cut in middle only. Another generate is the sticky ends. Sticky means these were sticky means staggered cuts, means zigzag cutting is called sticky ends. H bonds possible with complementary tails. DNA ligase covalently links the two fragments together by forming phosphodiester bonds. Is very important. Phosphodiester bond of the phosphate sugar backbone. Okay, it only cut only DNA ligase convolutely link the two fragments together by forming phosphodiester bond of the phosphate sugar backbone. Okay, next one is next slide. Palindroman. Palindroman means same is called palindroman. Okay, when read in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction, the sequence on the top strand is identical to that of the bottom strand. Okay, we see to here 5 prime. 5 prime is GAATTC. G means guanine, A means adenine, T means thymine, C means cytosine. So palindroman means 5 prime to 3 prime sequence on the top strand is identical to the bottom strand. So GAATTC. Okay, Z pair with guanine pair with triple bond cytosine, thymine pair with double bond adenine. So GATTC is a 5 prime to 3 prime. Then we bottom stand to observe here 5 prime to 3 prime also GAATTC. This sequence is called palindromic sequence. Okay, palindromic sequence. Okay, this was very important. Restriction endonuclease echo-array means Escherichia coli stand two-fold rotational symmetry is very important. GATTC example of the plasmid is echo-array, Escherichia coli. Okay, next go to another slide. Okay, next 4 based cochiv ends. 4 based means here we see 2 sticky ends, blunt ends. First one is the sticky ends, upper diagram or tag 1. Tag 1 is very important. Is thermal residue is tag 1. We also T for temperature, we all know it, but sticky end means many restriction enzyme cut the DNA at various regions. As a result, one strand is longer than another. Okay, 1 minute. give brightness. So we observe easy. Okay, on many restriction enzymes cut the DNA at various regions like zigzag or sticky ends. As a result, one strand is longer than another strand is more nitrogen base, thereby form two sticky ends with complementary nitrogen base. Each strand is separated. The main reason is they have polydrome sequence. Eco or I capital R and I is a restriction enzyme that identify the GAA means guanine adenine and nucleotides. Nucleosides we also know nucleotides. Nucleotide cuts in between. G means guanine, A means adenine, cut with G and A on DNA. Thereby it form the fragment with sticky ends. Okay, sticky ends is called. Okay, it cut only G and A space only. Next we go to blunt end. Blunt means some enzymes 4 base blunt end. Here also upper also 4 based, here down also 4 base. Base means adenine, guanine, thymine. These are called base. 4 base here GCTA, TCGA is blunt end 4 base. Here also GGCC. Okay, GGCC is the sticky ends. Okay, sticky ends. Blunt end. Sticky end is TC. No, sorry. TCGA. Okay, TCGA. It's a zigzag. Is called sticky and so it's very strongly bonded. Okay, next HE3 and He3 4 base blended. He3 means here GGCC as HE means the example blunted HE3 is a GGCC. Okay, same 3 prime 2 is polydrome. Polydrome is a very important restriction enzyme GGCC. So blunt and some enzymes identify accept opposite points on two strands of DNA and cut at that region. As a result of this non-polar fragment, okay, non-polar fragment end form. These are called blunt end or flush end. Okay, same, not a here. Straight cut is called blunt end. Zigzag cut is called sticky end. Okay, so specify only tag. Here we sticky end used to tag TAQ, and here blunt end is HE3. This restriction endonuclease enzymes. Okay. Next we observe this action of restriction enzyme overview. How it overview means restriction enzymes. Restriction slide. Site means restriction. What is restriction? We all know it. Restriction enzymes the cutting scissors or molecular cutting scissors. Scissor means strongly okay, cutted position is the different way. Restriction site is a molecular scissor is called restriction sites. Here polydrome means 5 prime to 3 prime. GATTC means echo array, Escherichia coli array. Okay, here also 5 prime to 3 prime down also GATTC. Okay, restriction endonuclease is a tricky end to how it zigzag cutting. Restriction enzyme is a sticky end, so sticky end means zigzag mode. Then we go to B diagram. Restriction fragment from two different organisms cut by the same restriction enzyme, because only G and A position only it cut, so stickily end. After cutting this same restriction enzyme to use to cut stickily end, and then recombinant DNA molecules formation. We observe to color. First one is some light pink color and light green color to okay, recombinant DNA molecule to ligase enzyme is the gum like to attach the various gene and vector gene to include, so recombinant DNA is formation. Then we observe to second C diagram. C also blunt ended restriction enzyme, so it straightly cut like GC position, blunt and straightly cut. And this was the vector gene, and another one is what we want is the cloning type of some gene to use to, for example insulin gene you use to green color and vector gene is pink color. Then straightly cut is called blunt end. Then in production of a blunt end to attachment by the ligase enzyme, so recombinant DNA molecule also formed. So recombinant used in blunt end. Okay, this was recombinant DNA molecule formed with the it is zigzag of the sticky ends. Okay, next to restriction enzyme. Okay, restriction enzyme means it was molecular scissors. Okay, restriction enzyme means molecular scissors. Some we first diagram observe. Okay, strictly under some how to it form echo RI. Echo GATTC is the base of the GATTC. So only 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Okay, DNA fragment join at sticky ends. So black color like appearance is called zigzag cutting. So upper and down will be the zigzag ending like cutting. So it was the sticky ends. After to ligase is the gum like, so it attachment, so recombinant DNA is formation. DNA ligase in action. How it ligase? Ligase means it a molecular gum. Molecular Caesar is restriction enzymes. Molecular gum is the ligase. DNA to stick. Okay, how it start animations? For example, here sticky ends, like here ligase is green color, like gum. So it DNA fragment. Another is plasmid fragment. Plasmid means vector. DNA fragment which we want to, for example, insulin is the gene to product diabetic patient to insulin. So DNA fragment, and upper side was the plasmid DNA. Plasmid means vector DNA. So it strictly ended to attached by the ligase enzyme. So it used to very important of the ligase enzyme, okay, to attach to the DNA fragment, plasmid DNA or vector DNA to attachment. We observe to triple bond is the guanine cytosine and double bond is the adenine thymine. This is for purines and pyramids. Purines is the adenine guanine, and pyramids purines mean double layer is adenine guanine thymine cytosine. Okay, this was purine means adenine guanine, thymine is the pyramid, thymine cytosine is the pyramid structure in DNA molecule. Okay, vector for gene cloning. What is vectors for gene cloning? Vectors like some nucleic acid molecule that derived a gene into a cell. Useful properties: small enough to manipulate in a lab, survive inside cells, contain recognizable genetic marker, ensure genetic expression of gene, autonomous replication is the vectors. Vector means to transfer to one place to another place is called vector. So cloning vectors, okay, cloning vectors, and some plasmids also vectors, cosmids also vectors, bacteriophage also vectors, and plasmid PBR 322 also vectors, and PUC8 also vector. Okay. Next, requirement of a vector to serve as a carrier molecule. The choice of a vector depends on the design of the experimental system and how the clone gene will be secreted or utilized subsequently. Most vectors containing a prokaryotic organ of replication, allowing maintenance in bacterial cells. Some vectors contain an additional eukaryotic organ of replication, allowing autonomous episomal replication in eukaryotic cells. Multiple unique cloning sites are often included for versatility and easier library construction. Main type of vectors. First one, bacterial plasmids and bacteriophages, cosmids, and others like BAC, full form is bacterial artificial chromosome. Next, YAC, YAC, yeast artificial chromosome. This for human. HAC, H means human artificial chromosomes. Okay, is 2 micron, 2 micron plasmids, is 2 micron plasmid retrovirus baculovirus vector, retrovirus and baculovirus vector. Next, choice of vectors depend on nature of protocol or experiment, type of host cell to accumulated rDNA, or like prokaryotic and eukaryotic host. Next, plasmid vectors. Plasmids, the convolutely closed circular double-stranded DNA molecules that occurs naturally and replicate extrachromosomally in bacteria. Many confer drug restricts to bacterial strain. Origin of replication present means ORI. ORI means origin of replication present in plasmid vector. So it was important to use that extra chromosome material which is circulated by double helical structure of DNA molecule that occurs naturally and replicate extra chromosomal in bacteria. Many drug resistant to bacterial strain. Origin of replication present. Okay, examples like plasmids are PBR332. Okay, PBR332 is the artificial plasmids. So one of the PBR332 means P means full form of PBR. P means plasmids. BR means stands for Bolivar Rodriguez. Bolivar Rodriguez. 332 is a number code given by the scientist. This act like either the parent or grandparent for many vectors. So you call to PBR332 means plasmid Bolivar Rodriguez. 332 is the code given by scientists. Number code 322. 322 is a number code. Okay. One of the origin plasmids used to selectable markers like ampicillin and TET, tetracycline, ampicillin AMP means ampicillin resistance gene, TET means tetracyclic resistant gene. So importance of PBR, okay, ampicillin tetracycline resistant genes to selected markers like AMP and TET resistance genes. Okay, several unique restriction sites squatted throughout plasmid. Some live within antibiotic resistant gene means of screening for inserts. Okay, screening for insert. Next, common steps of involved in isolated A particular DNA fragment from a complex mixture of DNA fragments or molecules. DNA molecules are digested with enzyme called restriction endonuclease with reduce the size of the fragment, renders them more manageable for cloning purpose. This product of digestion or insert into a DNA molecule called a vector enable residue fragment to be replicated in cell culture to very high level in a given cell. Introduction of recombinant DNA molecule into an appropriate host cells like some transformation or transfection. Each cell receiving rDNA means recombinant DNA is equal to recombinant means clone gene. Okay, many have thousands of copies of rDNA molecules cell after DNA replication. So very important. Many having thousands of copies of rDNA molecule cell after DNA replication. As host cell divides rDNA entered into a daughter cells. Population of cells of a given colony is expanded and therefore so is the rDNA. Like some applications, some DNA can be extracted, purified and used for molecular analysis, investigated organization of genes, structure, function, activation and processing. Gene product encoded by the rDNA can be characterized or modified through mutational experiments. Antibiotic resistant genes and or another selectable markers enable identification of cells that have acquired the vector construct. Some vectors containing inducible or tissue specific promoters permitting controlled expression of introduced gene in transfected cells of transgenic animals. Modern vectors they spread contain multi-functional element resulting into permanent a combination of cloning, DNA sequencing, in vitro mutagenesis and transcription and episomal replication. PUC18. Okay, PUC18. Okay, PUC is a cloning vector formed PBR332 and a derivative of PBR332. P means P means plasmid and here UC means University of California. UC means University of California. It was how many base 2676 base 2676 base pairs in this vector, and it have also samely ampicillin restriction enzymes, and another is very important origin of replication of LOX-Z. LOX-Z is the important gene for encoding beta galactosides enzyme LOX-Z. Okay, we also see LOC-operon. LOC-operon means ZYA is the structural genes we all know it. LOX-Z a specific site called multiple cloning sequence MCS. We synthesize many restriction enzymes. So Plasmid California University 18 means is a numerical code given by scientist. Okay, its vector is smaller than BVR 322. Is smaller than. Okay, DNA fragment was 12.4 kilo base pair size. Okay, we discuss advantage over PBR 332, smaller to can accumulated larger DNA fragments during cloning, like 5 to 10 kilo base pair, higher copy for cell, like 500 for cell is equal to 5 to 10 into more than PBR 322. Multiple cloning site clustered in same location, polylinkers. Okay, vectors able to serve under antibiotic selection or amplified in bacterial host by autonomous replication. Plasmid DNA containing the gene of interest is purified from large scale culture. Okay, subsequent steps in the experimental design are undertaken: subcloning, mutagenesis, sequencing, transfection of eukaryotic cell lines like calcium phosphate precipitation, and liposuction, electroporation, and dextrine sulfate microinjection, etc. Some transgenic of eukaryote. Fragment isolation for transgenic mice production, like microinjection, very important. Micro PCR means polymer chain reaction, also used to PUC18 vectors. Next, lambda vector. Lambda means bacteriophage is called lambda vectors. Okay, these viruses which attacked on bacteria are called as bacteriophage vector. Bacteriophage that destruct bacteria are extensively used as vectors in gene cloning. Example: lambda phase vector M13 bacteriophage vector. Example of the lambda, first one is lambda vectors. First, bacteriophage lambda. Lambda infect E. coli. E. coli means Escherichia coli. Okay, bacteriophage lambda infected E. coli. Lambda phase is another choice vector. In view of the Disadvantage in case of plasmids. The plasmids cannot carry large fragments of DNA. This is a need of another cloning vectors capable of carrying large fragments. Lambda phase were found to be capable of carrying much large DNA inserts as large as 40 kilobase. Double stranded inner DNA vector suitable for library construction is very important. DNA vector double stranded is the can accommodate large segments of foreign DNA. Cosmids. Cosmids are also hybrid cloning vector or artificial cloning vectors. And artificial cloning vectors, the plasmid are called so as plasmids. Okay, is originated from plasmids or called cosmids. They have characteristic feature of both plasmid and bacteriophage. They are prepared by using configuration of DNA of lambda phase bacterioplasmid. Cosmids are prepared by combining the end of the plasmid DNA with the cos terminal end of the lambda DNA. So this is derived vector. The cos sequence of the cosmid useful observed large DNA also useful for replication of plasmid sequence. Cosmids were first prepared and described by Colin and Ohan in 1978. The best example of cosmids is the PGB at PHC 79. The length of the cosmids of the 5 kilobase. Okay, a cosmid vector and artificially construction circulator DNA circle like shape. So circular DNA a molecule of 5000 to 7000 base pairs. Okay, it commonly useful feature of both the plasmids and the lambda phase. So both characters appear. Like so plasmid means ampicillin, tetracycline, orgicides, and lambda phase means cos sites also used because of the presence of the following element like an origin of replication means ORI. Next, packaging signals of lambda phase called cos site, very important. So it called cos site is two sites like sticky ends, stickly end. It's called cosmids. Next, okay, in addition, the cosmids contains an antibiotic resistance genes means antibiotic resistant genes and several resistant sites where foreign DNA can be inserted. So like ampicillin, tetracycline, EcoRI, hinge 3, cos 2 places, origin places both are in cosmids. Cosmids permit insertion of large fragment of DNA up to 35 to 50 kilobase pair long. So it was used to vector. Next, shuttle shuttle vectors like hybrid molecule designed for the use of multiple cell type, multiple ORA means origin of replication sites, all over replication, both the prokaryotic and eukaryotic host cells, allowing transfer between different cell type. Example of Escherichia coli to yeast cells, and this was shuttle vector, shuttle 1 plus 1 E. coli to yeast cells, and E. coli to human cell line. Okay, selectable marker and cloning sites. Next, bacterial artificial chromosome is called BACS, is a important of a bacterial. Okay, bacterial artificial chromosome based on F factors of bacteria important in conjugation can accumulate 1 megabase of DNA is equal to 1000 kilobase pair. F factor components for replication and copy control are present. Selectable markers and cloning site available. Another useful feature like some direct RNA synthesis is very important. RNA synthesis, RNA probes for hybridization experiments, RNA for in vitro translation, very important. Last time cosmate bacteriophage only we used only DNA, but RNA synthesis used only bacteria artificial chromosome. Okay, it's very important for MSc entrance. Okay, 1 megabase of DNA is equal to 1000 kilobase pair. Okay, YAC means yeast artificial chromosome. YAC is also hybrid molecule containing components of yeast. Here bacteria, here yeast. Yeast is protozoa and bacterial plasmid. Yeast ORI means ORI and origin of replication sites also. Here ARS means autonomically replication sequence also. Here ORI is equal to ARS. Okay, ORI is equal to ORI is equal to ARS, means A means autonomically replication sequence. Okay, next selectable markers on each arm as TRP1 and URA3. Also selectable markers also yeast. Yeast means YAC, yeast artificial. Okay. ARS full form is A means autonomically replication sequence also we know it. Okay. TRP. Okay, this was all selectable markers. Each one is the first one is the TRP and URA3. Okay, for example is wrote selectable markers. Each arm, first one TRP1 and URA3 yeast centrosomes, protozoa, tetrahydronema. Telomer sequence or yeast telomers may also used. Bacterial plasmid is polylinker. Okay, polylinker, very important. 1 megabase is equal to 1000 kilobase pair is equal to 10 to the power of 6 kilobase. Human artificial means here this was latest developed in latest method. Okay, human artificial 1997 synthetic self replication, size is 1/10, size 1 normal chromosome, micro chromosome that process 2 cells during mitosis, not in meiosis, mitosis. It containing ORA and centromere, telomere and protective cap of replication DNA sequence at ends of chromosomes protect from the shortening during mitosis. Histones provided by host cells. Okay, this was a method of how it is. This round type is it's a vector of plasmids or cosmids or anything. So special genes are the DNA sequence cutting to this was cloning method. What is cloning? Cloning method used to first cloning animal is the dolly. Dolly is the restriction enzyme to cutting enzyme and ligase is the gum, molecular gum. Molecular scissor is restriction enzyme. RDNA is formation after it enter into bacterium to grow and number of DNA, the number of clone vector is released. So this technique is cloning vector. This also cloning. Okay, this white type is the plasmids. This was a DNA to be double stranded DNA that ligation after ligation or DNA is formation. It will transform into bacterial cell and select from that the containing the plasmids and here to obtain DNA proteins, okay, cleave with restriction endonuclease and isolated cloning DNA is cloning DNA. So first we select cells that cloning chromatic plasmids. After grow the second time to obtain proteins, grow under condition that allow expression of the donate gene. So it produce isolate protein and protein. So it's a protein made. It's cloning method. Okay, this was restriction enzyme cloning of DNA and probe. Okay, first we observe to clearly. First one, restriction endonuclease. Restriction nuclease cleavage DNA into smaller fragments. It is smaller. So first this man take two large of DNA for restriction enzyme after DNA into smaller more than mm, manageable fragment. Okay, so second diagram you can see smaller DNA takes. Okay, cloning of DNA. Cloning means okay, first man and second man to observe. First DNA fragment must be amplified to be more useful. Okay, for small amount there, then amplified DNA fragments are more. So this method is called cloning. Okay, probe means DNA fragments. DNA fragment is one. Then probe is select. A specific fragment can be identified using a complementary probe. Same probe means complementary. పై డిఎన్ఏకి కింది వైపు ఒక ప్రోబ్ తయారు చేయడం అనేటువంటిది ఇక్కడ చూస్తుంది ప్రోబ్. ఓకే ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ. నాకు ఇంత మంచి అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ. దీంట్లో కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా మీకు చాలాసార్లు వచ్చాయి. మీకు అవేంటివో చూద్దాం మరి. ఓకేలేండి, రేపటి క్లాస్లో కలుద్దాం. బాయ్.